Grim news coming in from the capital. A man attacked two women with acid in broad daylight on Sunday.
The culprit reportedly threw acid on those two women and then escaped. The women have now been admitted to the Baba Saheb Ambedkar Hospital. Police has also identified the suspect and a search is now on to nab him. The women reportedly knew the accused. Meanwhile, remember, the centre had asked all states to ban across-the-counter sale of acid following a Supreme Court order to curb rising incidents of acid attacks on women. For more on that, we are joined by Shubhajit Sengupta on the phone line. Shubhajit, we know the culprit has escaped. What more do we know about this incident?
Right now, they have identified the culprit and are looking out. We've been speaking to the senior officers of the district, and they have been telling me that they are very close to nabbing the accused. As far as the condition of the two girls are concerned, both of them are right now have been referred to LNJP Hospital from Babu Rahim Hospital, and they suffer a burning injury of 18 and 50%. Doctors say they are now working on them, and they expect some kind of relief within 48 hours. But the fact remains that acid sales continue, and in this particular incident, acid was thrown on the two women right in the middle of an Outer Delhi market.
Shubhajit, you're saying they're still suffering from 80 and 50% acid attack burns there, being treated in hospital. As we know, the culprit has escaped. As you talked about those revised guidelines, though, there's supposed to be stricter punishment for perpetrators. There's supposed to be a ban on the over-the-counter sale as well.
Absolutely, Amrita. The Home Ministry had asked the state governments to ban the over-the-counter sales of acid after the Supreme Court directions which came in July. But so far, we don't see that being implemented at all. In fact, sale of acid has been brought under the poisonous possessions and sales rules. But the fact remains, even now, if you would go to the market and try to buy acid, no one will ask for your name and registration, which is very important right now. In fact, SDM has got the powers to impose a fine of ₹50,000 if you are found to be violating that rule. But that doesn't seem to be happening, or that is not curbing, because we see the incidents like these continue to happen in regular intervals. Some intervention by the authorities is essential in this case at this point of time.
Absolutely. In fact, we do have that Sena Nabian campaign going on as well to restrict the sale of acid. Shubhajit, we'll come back to you for more details. Here's what one of the doctors treating the victims had to say.
दो फीमेल पेशेंट आए थे
जी सर
एसिड बर्न की
जी सर
एक का 50%
जी
एक का 18% था ये इनिशियल ट्रीटमेंट और एंटीबायोटिक्स देने के बाद उसको एडमिट करके
जी
क्योंकि बर्न्स एंड प्लास्टिक डिपार्टमेंट हमारा नहीं है
जी
LNJP हॉस्पिटल
रेफर कर दिया गया
कितने % जल्दी लड़कियां दोनों